Welcome back to my channel, gang, ladies and gentlemen. This week I picked Monster Beverage Corporation to be my stock purchase of the week. Um, Here's a snapshot of the current numbers. We have outstanding shares, PE trailing, EPS, next earning date. We have a small chart to your right. Again, I use E-Trade platform. Let's just jump right into here and see why I chose Monster Beverage. Um, I really like to start off with this analyst research here. It's pretty simple. It has, due to ranked analysts, it has an upside of 16%. And if you click on insider activity, here we have some officers and president, and some directors that have made some sales, which means that they've been making money on their stock and they wanted to pocket some earnings. If we click on earnings here, we've been having some positive earnings. Um, I don't get too much into detail on the video, on the YouTube video. And if you please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I could further help out with doing my research on here. I like the fundamentals of this company that I've seen so far. Cash flow. Um, Here they're pretty. It's a stable company. They don't have too much debt because they don't pay a dividend. It's purely a growth stock, and I don't see why they wouldn't pay a dividend in the next 10 years. They're very well um, put together as a company here. Um, Income statement is a pretty cool balance sheet. So over the past 5 years, they have been strictly growing. Um, their revenues increased all across the board. There's nothing that I've seen that hasn't increased over time. Well, everything's been increasing over time as the years go on, which is a positive thing. Also, like again, I said that they don't pay a dividend, which is it's not a debt, which where they could in the future. Nothing's wrong with that. And here we got some basic weighted average shares. They're pretty good. Balance sheet. Balance sheet is critical because you have assets, you have their machinery, they have their buildings, they have their intangible growth, they have the long-term investments, they have their liabilities, and you get to see what how the company is performing. And a lot of these bigger companies like Coca-Cola, they have a huge debt because they pay such a high dividend every 3 months. Warren Buffett gets paid probably hundreds of millions of dollars a year just for being a shareholder. What else can we have here? Let's look at the news here. Monster Beverage beats on the revenue. Quarter 3 September earnings 65 per share, 2.02 better than S&P Capital consensus. I like this stock. Um, we're here for the long run, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here for the long run. And that's what we're doing. So if we scroll down here, they have their competition, and usually the smart consensus pure ratings put them in a classified, not a classified, but a rating system, which where there's three that's has a buy rating right now. Pepsi's also a good buy. That's probably another company I'll probably purchase in here in the future. Um, where do we? Who's that hold? Hold is Coca-Cola. Um, New Age, and Coca-Cola cons. And who's that sale? Coca-Cola European partners. Okay, well, there you go. They're at a hold. Interesting. But yeah, Coca-Cola has lots of debt. They've been have been paying a dividend for a year. I'll take a Again, I want to hold Monster Beverage for the next 10 years. So I'll go ahead and purchase it. Today's purchase price is $84 and average target price is $92. So there's some upside here to this stock here. And snapshot. PE trading a little bit above what I rather purchase, but due to they don't have a dividend is which where I'll, it's okay. That's one of the things I'll go through. So let's click buy. I skipped 3 weeks, so I have a little bit more money in the bank. I got 620 purchase power cash. So I want to buy quantity. Let's buy 3 shares. 816.24. Yep, that'd be do it. Price market good for the day and preview order. Yes, I want to purchase 3. Good for a day. Place order. Order's been placed. Let's click on the portfolio. And here, I own 8 stocks. I've been purchasing. I've been targeting $200 a week for basically a savings account here. Total gain is 10%. So I grossed $212 as of today. 11/25/2020, just for basically using E-Trade and purchasing stock as my savings account. On top of growth, I made my chart where I have an ex-dividend date. So as these dates get closer, I have Next Era Energy coming up today. I will purchase them of that week or the week before. Again, I do most of my videos on Wednesdays, and I'd like to boost that dividend of the week of or the week prior to give that boost the dividend. So if I click on estimated income, currently I'm earning $32.64 a year by the stocks I'm purchasing, not including the total gain, which the market does go up and down. Again, this is just my savings account. This is me documenting and sharing the power of long-term investing with YouTube and whoever clicks on this video. It's a pretty awesome thing to get started in. My portfolio compared to the market over, let's see, I've just started, so 3 months. Well, I've been kind of outperforming the market. Interesting. I Over the past 3 months, the market's done 6 and 5%. I've done 10. Wow, that's pretty cool. I should snapshot this and use it as a cover. Really never looked at this. Wow, live. Huh? What do you know? I'll save this. Live. You guys got to see it first. Sorry, I'm not talking saving. E-Trade. Well, you'll see this in my next video. Possibly a thumbnail. Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. I never really clicked on that. As I feel pretty good now. I feel a little bit better this morning. That's a really cool numbers to see. Beating the stock market. Wow, and that's impressive for me. And again, this is just a savings account. There, I follow simple rules when investing: low PE, undervalued stocks, and we'll get through this slowly. Wow, mm, I'm tripping out, man. This is tripping out, gang. This is really good news, man. I mean, the whole market's been positive, but um, on this November here, I've been beating the market. Wow, if I could keep that up, I'll double my money in a few years. Um, just long-term growth, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, that's awesome. I'm stoked. I didn't really click on that. I always look at it, but never did really compare it to a 3 month mark, and I'm beating the market. That is awesome. All right, well, today I'm down $10. The account had to refresh. Um, let's see where we stand on the stock market. Yeah, so we're down here. So that's a reflection of what we have here, down $10. Still positive. Big gain, big loss today is CVA. That's no big deal. I purchased them at $8 and they're up $12 as we speak now. So again, just long term, stay steady, stay focused, stay busy, gang. Well, you guys have a nice day. I gotta get going.